Akiaria serikali yake kaunti ya Embu kuria kuthunduragia tabarira cia winji wa ndovuri cia MAAI, minista wa MAAI bururi Alice WAHOME auga thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza ni igite kigena gya kwigana ya kwigithia vai wanduri wa tabarira cia gutambia MAAI matauni-ini na wandu umwe na cia guta MAAI magiko. Akorwo akiuga mathina maria maronekana matauni-ini matiganite monyivirirũ wa MAAI magutumira na mitaro ya guta MAAI magiko umanite na thirikari cia navuga vere ni undu wa gutura mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kuvinga mavataro ma wingi wa andu aria mathamirite matauni-ini.
And the expansion by way of population requires bigger water supply, large number of water supply because of the population growth and sewerage system project. We are planning together with sanitation and especially for the town areas where the settlement is bigger.
Athie na mbere na kugweta gwi kaunti ya Embu kwa kavinda ka miaka 5 yukite thirikari ni gukorwo ikithondeka tabarira cia utambi wa MAAI ma kunyua na kurima cia mwigana wa bilioni 8 iri kuthiria thina wa MAAI gwi icigo mbunge cia Runnyenje, mbere iguru na mbere yetherero.
I'm looking at a situation where like the expansion for water in this and sanitation sewerage is going to be about more than 2 billion shillings here in Embu. Total cost of all the projects accumulated and maybe going forward will be more than 80 billion shillings for this particular county.
Akiaria kavinda rebwa kau gavana wa kaunti yo Cecily Mbarire auga waki wa tabarira icio warika ugakorwo ikiguni kinene gwi gutethura mwenge kumana na ng'aragu iria ukamega na miena itiganite ya kaunti ya Embu, guko akiuga thirikari yake ni kugura macini ya gutura ndovuri cia MAAI ya mwigana wa milioni 60.
Ni turagura drill kana rig machine iria enjaga boreholes, ni turagura vamwe na equipment cionthe ni cost kindu milioni 60 na already process ya procurement ni yambiririo.
Kari nene ni iranirite gwaka ndamu ithatu cia guketha MAAI ma kurima kaunti ya Embu iria ni Thambana, Thucini ya Kamumu iria waki wayo urambiriria mwaka wa thirikari wa 2023 na 2024.
And the CS for ensuring that Kamumu Dam is at a very high advanced stages of implementation. We are almost likely to get the implementation of the project done this year. It is now at the Treasury where they are considering all the processes for advertisement and signing of different agreements for the project to start.
Minister WAHOME no thunduririe winji wa ndovuri cia MAAI thukuru wa iritu wa Ciakago, Itabua, Kasafari Primary vamwe na tabarira ciingi iria iratorithio na mbere ni ruvonge rwa Tana Water Works. Vanduri Vakameme TV ni mwana wa Ciakago kaunti ya Embu, ni Ebita Dennis Fundi.